Critical Change Lab is a project funded by the European Union involving 10 partners across Europe, including Trinity College Dublin. We're creating a new learning model for young people to explore the issues that matter to them. By working with others, youth leaders, teachers, researchers in different environments, schools and youth groups to bring about change. What do we mean when we talk about democracy? Democracy comes from the Greek word demos, people, and kratos, power. Democracy literally means power of the people, and it is a way of governing that depends on the will of the people. A democracy differs from an autocracy or a dictatorship, where one person rules, or an oligarchy, where a small group rules. There are lots of different models of democracy. Ireland is a parliamentary representative democratic republic, meaning we elect people to govern on our behalf. Power is divided between the legislator, the Oireachtas, which is made up of the Dáil, the Seanad and the President. The executive, or the government, usually formed by the largest party or parties in the Dáil after a general election and made up of the Taoiseach, Taoiseach and cabinet ministers. And the judiciary, which is Ireland's court system. Ireland is also a member state of the European Union. According to the United Nations, the essential elements of a democracy are that everyone's rights are respected and people can speak their minds and join groups freely. Leaders are chosen through fair elections where everyone gets to vote in secret. There are many different political parties, so people have choices. The government's power is divided to maintain balance, and independent courts ensure decisions are made fairly. Officials must be transparent and accountable for their actions, and there are a range of news sources that operate freely and independently. Democracies are complex and evolving systems, adapting to changes and challenges in society, whether that means extending the right to vote or incorporating new technologies. But we should not take democracy for granted. The Critical Change Lab project looks at everyday democracy. Democracy is more than formal politics and elections. It is present in the values and practices we see in our daily lives. Every day, democracy is about having a say in the decisions that happen around you all the time, not just when it's time to vote. For example, having the opportunity to influence matters that affect you in school, in your free time, or in your community. It might happen through meetings where everyone can talk about their ideas, voting on where money should be spent in the community, or being part of groups that help make decisions. Challenges are solved democratically, with respect for other people and for nature. The goal is to make sure everyone's opinions are heard and considered, making things fair and including lots of different viewpoints in the decisions that affect everyone. Let's look at 2 examples from Ireland where young people have come together to bring about change in their community. Worried about drink, drugs and depression, students at Ladies' College of Greenhills, County Louth, lobbied for their creation of a safe and welcoming space for young people free from alcohol and peer pressure. The Boomerang Youth Cafe in Drogheda opened in 2013 and is still going strong today. And students concerned about period poverty and period shame successfully lobbied for free period products to be trialled in the bathrooms of Loreto Secondary School in Kilkenny in 2023. Now it's your turn. What will you change?